Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to link a page in WordPress to another page. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So this is my WordPress website and I want to add another page into here. So for that I'm going to edit this post. At the same time I'm going to my dashboard and I'm going to open my pages. So right now I want to add this page inside of this page. So for that I'm going to open this contact page. Then click on permalink and here you can see the link of this page. So I'm going to copy this link from here and now I'm going to select this click here to view another page text and I'm clicking link and now I'm pasting another page link here, enter. And now if I update this page, if I view this, and now here you can see click here to view another page, and if I click on it, and then here you can see another page has been opened. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.